Hello again, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a papaya salad, Thai style. I have here a small green papaya, some cabbage, 2 tomatoes, dry shrimps, some peanut, roasted peanut, a lot of Thai chili pepper, and this is fermented crabs. Fermented crabs is really smelly. It's basically small crab they fermented and with salt and sugar right here. You need that to make papaya salad. And of course you need fish sauce, and of course you need salt and some MSG. Alright, let's prepare the ingredients. First I'm gonna prepare the papaya. For the papaya you need to peel off the skin there, the green part. Just peel it off. Yeah, when you do a papaya salad, make sure you choose the green papaya. Do not choose the ripe one. The green one is make the best papaya salad. There's going to be a lot of seed inside here, so but you just make sure you peel off all the skin. I mean all the skin part. See. All right. Well, this is how you do it. You take a knife and you kind of just chop it like this. Just chop all around. Yeah, this is a traditional way to do it, and or you can, yeah, use a peeler to go back right here, see? Let's come out like that. See that? That's what you want. You want it like that. It's like a little shredded papaya. That's what you want. And just use the peelers, go around. Alright, you got the idea, it's right here. And after you take the peeler, and then just keep going back again, do the same thing, and then use the peeler to shred it. You keep doing that until you get to the seed inside there. So you take all the flesh out until you get to the seed. Okay, just like that. Alright, you almost getting to the seed now. Just keep yeah, the seed is not good to eat. It's very bitter. The skin and the seed is not good to eat. It's going to be a lot of seed inside here because when the papaya is green, the seed is white. But when it's ripe, the seed turn to like black. Try to get the flesh, as much flesh as possible, all the way to the core. Oh, the seed's already coming out. See white seed coming out? That's not good. We already got to the core already, so. But if you want to, you can just you want to get more of this, but you want to just get rid of the seed right here. Just dump the seed out. Just basically dump it out. Right here, all the seed right here, so you can get all the flesh there. Get the seed out. There's a lot of white seed there. See that? You can take a knife and just scrape off the inside part here because yeah, it's not good to eat. You can eat it, but it's not very taste pleasant. So. Alright, now you can shred some more. You try to save. Yeah, that's another way to do it, but if you have, you don't want it, just throw it away. This part right here, skin too. But since we only have so small papaya, so I'm going to try to get as much as possible from this papaya. The papaya already shredded. Let's prepare the ingredient. Oh, I forgot to mention, you also need lime. So I got 2 limes right here, and I might add a little bit of kaffir lime leaves in there, just to get a little flavor, a little kick. You don't have to. So for the dry shrimp, I'm gonna wash it a little bit and soak in water for a few minutes. Yeah, dry shrimp you want to wash it a little bit because dry shrimp usually have a lot of sand and when they what it is in Asia when they dry the shrimp they dry it out, they use the sun to dry the shrimp and you got a lot of sand in there and so just soak in water for a couple minutes and okay, let's put the now you need mortar and pestle, and that's where you need to pound everything together. Okay, we need yeah, to put the papaya, the shred papaya. Since we have a lot of shred papaya, we might have to do a couple of times. We need to cut the tomato into a small chunk. Oh, I need to cut the limes into wedges. Yeah, cut yeah, 3, 4, 4, 5 wedges. So, and then kaffir lime leaves. You need to take the middle part out. That's the hard part, and then you just need to julienne it, basically cut into small pieces. All right. Yeah, with the kaffir lime leaves, you're gonna add some flavor to the salad, and you also need some cabbages or some green cabbage, just cut into chunk like that. Okay. Now put in some, shrimp. You pound it a little bit. Dry shrimp there. Just pound it. Just break it up a little bit. You don't need to. And then some papaya. Yeah, we're gonna do at least 3 times here because we got a lot of shredded papaya. Put in some a little bit of cabbage, and this is the fermented crabs. Small crabs in there, been fermented in salt and sugar. It's sweet and sour. You need that for just small crabs and smell terrible. Basically, it smell if you have to get used to the smell, but it adds some flavor to it. Pour some of that water in there. Okay. Pound it gently. You don't need to pound it that hard. We just want to mix everything together. Put some Thai chili in there. Just depending on how hot you want. Put 2, 3 of there. and then squeeze some lime wedges. And don't throw away anything. Just toss everything in there after you squeeze the water. Toss the wedge in there. Just do about 2 for now, and you can add some more later on if you need some more sourness. So add some peanut. You can put a little peanut in there. So a little bit of peanut. Can be a little more cabbage in there too. Yes, and then kaffir lime leaves. Give a little kick. If you don't have to, it's optional, but the kaffir lime kind of give it a little flavor. Some salt and some monosodium glutamate, MSG. It's optional if you wanted to add some MSG. And give a little taste to see how it, what else you need in there. Okay. Pound a little more. Fish sauce, of course. It's very, very smelly. You need fish sauce. But fish sauce is going to add that flavor to that papaya salad. Taste it again. And I see. Taste as you go, Okay. Needs a little bit more sour, so squeeze some more lime in there. And throw in that wedges in there. Just pound it, gently pound it together. Just mix it up. And see, it's almost done now. And just basically you just mix everything together right there. You don't need to pound it that hard. Yeah, so this is the final product, green papaya salad. They usually serve with a little bit of peanut on the top a little bit. So just take the roasted peanut, put it on the bag like that, and you just pound a little bit. I already have some roasted peanut already in there, but you can just put a little more on the top, like that. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like this recipe, green papaya salad, Thai style. And I hope you give this recipe a try. It's very delicious. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to smash that thumbs up. And thank you again. Bye-bye.